Okay. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem using two methods. Double integration method, ordinary lang, and the other one is using Macaulay bracket function. And this time, ang moment somewhere sa middle. So the problem is calculate the value of EIY midway between the supports, or simply at x equal to 2.4. So, sige. Gamit ako double integration method. Una, you solve for the reactions. Dali raman reaction Uh, reaction is, so, counter mo ni question siya. So, dapat downward niya. And the value is 60 divided by 4.8. That's 12.5. And then downward many upward na 12.5. Okay. So, two segments AC and CB. For segment AC, kinanita cut ka dire, and then mo nimo X, and then mo nimo moment. So, ang moment nimo is simply 12.5x. Kinana. And EIY prime integral 12.5 x squared over 2. That's 6.25 x squared, and then plus C1. And then integrate again. 6.25 cube over 3. So 6.25 divided by 3. 25 over 12. 25 over 12 x cubed plus C1x plus C2. And then CB. Dili ka mag-cut. Mo yung x plus mo yung moment. So, same lang, 12.x. Tapos, counterclockwise man yung moment ni mo, minus na siya rin. Minus. Kay equal na mga dadaan. M equals ana naman ta. So, ang opposite of direction sa M, mga positive. Tarihan opposite man positive siya. Ang same mo direction, minus na tayo. I-transpose mo na siya. So, integrate 12.5, 6.25 x squared minus 60x plus C3, and then EIY 25 over 12 x cubed squared over 2, so you have 30 plus C3x plus C4. And then after this, boundary conditions. So, the boundary conditions, upatsat ka buok, C4 man tama. So, roller, deflection 0, hinge, deflection 0, duha. Junction na yan, C. Slope EC equal to slope CB when X is equal to 1.2. And the deflection EC equal to deflection CB when X is equal to 1.2 also. Okay, so 1 at X equal to 0, Y equal to 0. Dire na, no? Ay, sorry. DIY lang nila. EIY. So, 0, 0, 0, C2 equals 0. Then yun, 2 at X equal to 4.8, Y equal to 0. Unahada, ano kan? Unahada, ano butang ang conditions, boundary conditions sa supports. Ayha ang junction. Okay. So, direta, at X equal to 4.8, Y is equal to 0. So, sa CB, na siya direta, 0 ni 4.8, 4.8. So, here 0 equals 25 over 12, 4.8 cube minus 30, 4.8 square plus 4.8 C3 plus C4. So, simplify 4.8 C3 plus C4 equals input na mo 25 over 12 times 4.8 cube minus 30 times 4.8 square equals negative, no? Pero i-transpose mo na ito, ma-positive na siya. 460.8. Okay, so this will be our equation 1. Okay. Sige. 3. Junction, ayun ta. At X equals 1.2, slope EC equals slope CB. Okay. So 6.25 X squared plus C1 equal 6.25 X squared minus 60X plus C3. Okay. And okay, makancel na eh. And then substitute na yun. Bali, C1, i-transpose na to C3 minus C3 equals negative 60 times 1.2. So, C1 minus C3 equals negative 72. This is equation 2. Okay? Okay, 60 times 1.2. Naniguro ta. 72. Okay. Equation 4. Boundary condition 4. At X equal to 1.2, YEC equals YCB. Okay? So, we have 25 over 12 X cubed plus C1X plus C2 equals 25 over 12 X cubed minus 30X squared plus C3X plus C4. C2 is 0. Makancel na eh. Kana, no? And so let's transpose C3 and C4 sa left side. C1 sa 1.2 C1 kini C3 minus 1.2 C3 minus C4 equals negative 30 1.2 square. So 1.2 C1 minus 1.2 C3 1.2 1.44 14.4. That's 43.2. Klarohon na to. 30 times 1.2 square. Okay. 43.2. This is equation 3. So, gamit kag mode 5, kini equation 1, equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Mode 5 2. Nakaya na yan. Mode 5 2. Ang atong kuha na ni C1, C2, C3 tayo. C1, sorry, C3, and C4. So, nahan na ito ang C1. So, sa equation 1, dire, 0 ang C1 dire. So, 0, dayon 4.8, dayon C4 is 1, dayon 460.8. Dire, C1 is 1, C3 negative 1, C4 dire is 0, and then negative 72, and then last it's 1.2, negative 1.2, negative 1, and negative 43.2. Okay. C1 is 33. C2 is 105. C4 is negative 43.2. What is asked there is midway. So at x equal to 2.4, then nasa CB, no? So pila may y there? 2.4, 25 over 12, 2.4 cube minus 30, 2.4 squared C3, 105 times x, 2.4 C4 na yun, minus 43.2. So, natay EIY na yun mode 1, 25 over 12, 2.4 cube minus 30, 2.4 square plus 105 times 2.4 minus 64.8. Ang unit ani is kilonewton meter cube. Cube basta kay deflection. Okay. If you will use Macaulay, this is negative, no? 12.5 and then 12.5. So if you will use Macaulay, cut ka dire, and then x moment then. So na kay moment na 12.5x. Kita yun. Minus 60. Nade kay nani. X minus 1.2. Then raised to 0. Yan na. Raised to 0. So, when you integrate EIY prime, 6.25 x squared na minus 1 man eh. As isa na siya. 60x minus 1.2. And then C1. And then EIY cube na kay 25 over 12. Same na din, no? So, and then there na yun. Squared over 2 minus 30 x minus 1.2 squared plus C1x plus C2. And then boundary conditions 1 at x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Dire, no? So, 0, 0, ma-neglect, k negative 0, and C2 equals 0. And then, the other condition sa B, at x equal to 4.8, dire, y equals 0. Okay, so it's 0, 4.8, 25 over 12, 4.8 cube. 4.8 man, so positive, okay na siya. Minus 30. Pwede na dahil parenthesis kung ano substitute. 4.8 minus 1.2, you have 3.6 squared plus 4.8 C1. Makuha ni mo C1 eh. Bali, 25 over 12 times 4.8 cube minus 30, 3.6 squared. Negative, ha? So, i-transpose mo na siya. Positive, nila? Divided by 4.8. 33 na siya. Positive na, i-transpose mo. Ano, dahil ta? Okay? At x equal to 2.4, midway man. Sige. EIY 25 over 12, 2.4 cube minus 30, 1.2, 2.4 minus 1.2 square plus 33 times 1.2. Makita ni mo, lahi sa lagi equation na rin, 30, 2.4 siya. Okay. Check na to kung same ra ba ang answer. 25 over 12, 2.4 cube minus 30, 1.2 square plus 33 times 1.2. Alam ko. Iyot man. Sige to, 2.4, 2.2 cube 1.2. Sorry. 2.4 din. 2.4. Okay. 2.4. Nada, 64.8. Same lang. Okay. Now, suppose, wala naman nag-i-apply o wala ka kay balo nga, nada nga modification. So, ang equation ni mo, ang imong equation is yung na, 12.5x niya minus 60. Inana ka, wala na no? Mga kabalo. So, pag integrate nimo kay 6.25x squared minus 60x plus C1, di ba? And then EIY 25 over 12x cubed minus 30x squared plus C1x plus C2. Okay. Boundary conditions. At x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0. C2 equal to 0. Di ba? 2. At x equal to 4.8. Y equal 0. So 0, 25 over 12, 4.8 cube minus 30, 4.8 square plus 4.8 C1. Nakimakuha nga C1, di ba? Okay, so nakay na niya. 25 over 12, 4.8 cube minus 30, 4.8 square. Negative, so i-transpose na positive na divided by 4.8. 96. Diba? Na dayon ka. At x equals 2.4. Substitute nimo. EIY equals 25 over 12, 2.4 cube minus 30, 2.4 squared. C1 dayon. Plus 96 times 2.4. Okay. 25 over 12 cube minus 30, 2.4 square plus 96, 2.4. 86.4. Same digits. 4, 6, 8. Sir, 3. Wrong gahapon. Mo ni siya nga. Apatay. So, mo niya ang resulta pag wala ni mag-apply ni modification sa mo. Same result kung ganyan gamitan na to. What if kung nag-solve ta deflection at x equals 1. Dire, 1. So kung mag-1 ta, di ko insert Okay, dire po ko. Okay. At x equals 1, dire man easy, di ba? So, dire na siya. EIY, 25/12, 1 cube, dayon, C1 dayon, 33, times 1. So, natay EIY na, ilang na, 25/12 times 1 plus 33. Kini, 35 point, di ba? Diri ka, at x equal to 1, inani mo ka. 1 ha? So you have 25/12, 1 cube. 1 man eh. So ma-neglect siya. Kinigati ma 1 minus 1.2 ma-neglect ni. So wala na siya. Kinahanda yun. Plus 33 times 1. Pariha na no? Kane o kano? Ah. Pariha na siya. Kung diri ka, samot. Kung diri ka, ina kay 25/12 times 1 raman na minus 30 times 1 niya C1 na yun plus 96 times 1 68 layo oras tinuod, di ba? Okay, so mo nang kuan, mo na resulta. So dapat pag na moment inani gid imong modification na multiply nimo and then ang value kung na locate ang moment kini 1.2 mo to subtract nimo, pero dapat ang exponent na 0. Okay, that's it. So pareha sila sa so check that, yeah. Eh? Okay. So that's all. Thank you for watching.